Hey friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. This is a 2013 Toyota Sequoia. This should work for a 2007 through a 2021. So there's my maintenance light right there. Now I changed my own oil, so I want that to go out. So here's what I need to do. The engine is on, and now I'm on trip A. If you're not on trip A, you need to push through this until you're on trip A. Not odometer, not B, but on trip A right there. Now what I'm going to do is take out my keys, turn off the vehicle, and now I'm going to push that button in and I'm going to hold it. I'm actually going to have my assistant push the button in right now and hold it because I need my hands free so I can film. So he's going to push that in and hold it. I am going to go ahead and push the keys or put the keys in, and I'm going to turn them once, twice. And if you see that little bar, how it's kind of counting down, 2 bars, 1 bar, and now it is reset. So my assistant will take his hands off of that. And now I will start the car, and the maintenance light has reset itself. Hey friends, if this video helped you out, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.